Hello friends, so now in this video we will see the copy command. So basically we just wanted to copy these three objects. See, one, two, three object. I just wanted to copy this object, right? So for that I will just enter here the command CO. See here the copy option come. See, just click enter, right? And now you just need to select the object. See, I just selected the object and now you just press enter, right? And it is asking you to specify your base point. So let me specify base point. You can just take base point anywhere. Just let me take here, and now from here you can just move your object. See, you can just move your object where you just want it to be, right? See, you can just move in any direction. Just see, I can just place here, right? See, you can make multiple many copy of this same thing, right?